Hey there, you doers. Tonight I'm going to change out my car engine air filter. I've never done this before. In the past, I've had my dealer do it occasionally during service, and I probably don't do it, maybe I don't do it often enough, because according to this box here, it says every 12,000 miles, and I don't think I've changed it that many times. So anyways, I'm going to do it myself because I believe it needs to get done. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First time I'm doing it. So basically, the importance of the air filter is the air comes into your engine here, to your vehicle, and goes through the air filter. And what the air filter does is, it takes out any debris and maybe leaves or whatever comes through here. And this filters that out before it goes into the engine, because you don't want, dirty air going in the engine, because that's where the combustion occurs. And I don't think you want any sort of particles in there, or you want to minimize the particles because you don't want to, gunk up the whole system. And the importance of changing it is that if your filter is really dirty, there's not enough air, which is one of the ingredients for combustion, your engine won't run as efficiently. So this is where my air filter is located. It's on the driver's side, close to the windshield. And so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to replace it with this Fram one. I bought this online at Amazon. All right, so this is my new filter. Let me just put it over here for now. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unlock these little metal locking mechanisms. This one's a little rusty. There's one back there, if you can see it, back there as well, right back here. So I'm gonna unsnap this, unsnap the other one in the back. So these come off pretty easily. I just snap them back. Notice I'm wearing gloves. Just want to protect my hands, from anything sharp or any surprises. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay, so it's locked back here. There's a little, not lock, but place where this top portion here slides in. So I need to probably pull it this way, and then remove it. There you go. Actually, it wasn't too hard at all. So all I did was I unbuckled it, and I kind of just tilted it up and a little forward, and it slid out the back. And now it's loose. So now I'm just going to lift up the old one and slide it out like this. If you can see here, this is what the air filter looks like. Look how dirty that is on this side. The reason why there's debris on this side is because actually the air comes in through the intake, goes down here, and then it comes out the bottom down here. Okay, and then the air comes up and then flows through to your engine. So that's why the bottom is dirtier than the top. So it's doing its job. You can see it's pretty dirty. I'm gonna look up close here. And this is what it looks like before when you put it in new. So you can see how dirty it is, and then here's the opposite side. All right, so now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the new one. Let's get rid of this guy. And slide it in. Okay, so this part is the bottom, or the part the air intake comes in this way and comes out this way. Usually at the auto stores, they'll have a book or something. You can find the right size for your vehicle. And in my case, so you know what I got for the Honda Odyssey 2014 is a 11042. All right, so now I'm going to take this, I'm going to slide it right in. Again, this part is going to go downwards. All right, so I'm going to slide it right in. There it is, falls right in there like that. There you go. Let's just close it up. Make sure it's seated properly. I'm going to push this back down, and I'm going to slide these pins back in here. So it's got to slide, so you're going to push this down a bit. Angle it so don't get in. So see, I got in the other side to make sure it's into. It's a little harder to see back here. It's probably the hardest part, getting this back aligned. Yeah, there. Okay, so you gotta line both sides up right here. Okay, there's another one on this side as well. Just got one side in. Take your time. There. After I got this one, I just tilt this turn this a little bit this way to slide the other one in. And now it's in. You'll know it's in because then when you try to lift it a bit, it gets stuck. So don't push too hard on things. You don't want to break any tabs. Now I'm just gonna close it up like this, right? And then I'm gonna snap all the sides together. Snap that on. Snap this guy on the side here. Snap the other one here. Get a good tight seal. Might need to put a little effort in closing it because it's got a seal on there. There you go. All right, YouDoers, there we go. Replace my Honda Odyssey air filter, probably similar in any other vehicle. Basically, you find where your air filter is. The hardest part of this was actually trying to get these back clips back in place, the little tabs. But just be patient. I had to angle it up a bit, slide them in, and then make sure the other side was in as well. If you don't have the tabs in, I don't think it'll close properly. You want to make sure that there's a tight seal here and it's solidly in. So you can feel this, it's not moving at all. All right, YouDoers, please like and subscribe. Hopefully that was helpful. I just like to do things like this myself because it's interesting and I can share it with you. All right, let's get things done, YouDoers.